This 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 21 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 5, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK is 3,740 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.